All right, I'm gonna head home.
You went way too fast to that stop sign. You have a registration?
I do not. I actually got stopped by you guys earlier today. I told the guy I was going to do it Monday, but it's not an excuse. But That's
fine. We already got him.
Okay.
Yeah, that's risky.
Oh, you were the guys.
It's even more complicated when you run into the DNR.
Yes, sir.
Just remember to slow down by the stop signs, right?
All right. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Twice in a day is pretty crazy, isn't it?
Same officers, though.
It's the same officers. It wasn't for that this time. It was for going too fast through the stop sign. Make a complete stop.
I saw that.
That's what I figured it was.
And I did see them coming, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna, slow down. But he said I went too fast through it, so I guess I'll start stopping. Actually, like you should at stop signs. But I got that one on camera this time, so.
I can't believe Was that the same?
That's the same two guys.
Yeah.
The guy was like, oh, and he's like, you got registration? I'm like, I actually got stopped by some of your guys earlier. And the guy's like, we already stopped him, let him go. And I'm like, ooh, I was waiting to get a ticket for that stop sign, but.
Yeah, they kept saying fucking, if the DNR stops, it's going to get more complicated.
Yeah, they're right. But, alright guys. I'll see you guys later.
Right.
Peace out. I really lucked out twice. I'm so happy I got no tickets today. That's probably the luckiest that I've ever been.